Hello, friends. You are watching Us Crypto, and welcome. Friends, there are only 2 months left for the year 2025 to end. The month of November has begun. Today, we will discuss in detail the current market situation, Bitcoin's volatility, and what we should expect in the coming month. Bitcoin situation, October's disappointment. Historically, October was considered the best month for Bitcoin, often called Uptober. However, for the third time since 2013, October has delivered a negative return. While Bitcoin made a new all-time high, $125,000 at the beginning of October, it subsequently settled at the $100,000 level. The market sentiment was such that Bitcoin might not even sustain above $100,000, but it is still holding above this crucial psychological level. Expectations for November are reversal. Based on historical data and seasonality, November is also considered a good month for Bitcoin, similar to October. Following the negative return in October, many are now fearful that November will also bring the opposite, meaning a persistent negative sentiment in the market. But history shows us that when everyone starts thinking negatively and negativity pervades the market despite positive news, the market often starts to reverse course. Big institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity are holding millions of Bitcoins, which strengthens the long-term conviction. The current pressure is primarily due to ETF, exchange-traded fund, and short-term selling. Technical analysis, a sigh of relief. A piece of relieving news is Bitcoin's monthly candle closed slightly above the 200-day moving average. The $100,000 level is acting as an important support. A candle closing above the 200-day moving average is technically considered a bullish signal. The short-term resistance is near the 21-day moving average, which is around the $110,000 level. If an uptrend comes in November, we could move towards a new all-time high. And if the support breaks, the $95,000 level will be the next crucial support. Key market news and volatility. ETF pressure. Consistent selling has been observed in Bitcoin ETFs over the past few days, which is creating pressure on the market. U.S.-China trade. News of easing trade tensions between the U.S. and China, particularly discussions on reducing tariffs, is a positive signal for the market. Institutional acceptance. The stance of J.P. Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon is also softening somewhat towards crypto and stablecoins. Companies like Coinbase and Tether have made billions of dollars in profit. Coinbase has bought $300 million worth of Bitcoin. All this data confirms that even while the retail market is struggling, big companies are doing well. Portfolio and risk management. Right now, most people are just looking for an opportunity to exit the market. 90 to 95% of people are thinking this way. Such negative sentiment usually signals a market turnaround. If your risk management is sound, there is no need to panic. If 75% of your portfolio is in Bitcoin and Ethereum and 25% in altcoins, this volatility will not affect you. Even today, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is not equal to that of a single large company, like Apple or Nvidia. This means we are still in the early stages. Important coins, focus. Now I'm giving some important coin technical levels. You can speak slightly faster. Coin. Ethereum ETH. A good entry under $4,000, strong support at $3,500 to $3,750. Focus on the support zone. Solana SOL. Focus around $170 to $175. Monitor this entry zone. Cardano ADA, currently near 0.6, potential to reach $1.5 in the short to mid-term, strong potential for growth. XRP can hit $3 if it breaks the $2.6 resistance. Watch the $2.6 resistance break. Best altcoins for November 2025. Due to this market dip, several good coins are available at attractive prices. You can focus on these. Ethereum, ETH, around $3,350 to $3,500. Cardano, ADA, good opportunity at the current price. SUI, SUI, around $2 to $2.25, with the potential to reach $3 to $3.5 in the short to mid-term. NEAR, NEAR, a good opportunity around $2. Chainlink, Link, below $16 to $17. If it crosses $18, it can go up to $25 to $30. Final thoughts. Market volatility will remain, but the long-term outlook is still bullish. Risk management is what will protect your capital and your peace of mind right now. There are still 60 days left in 2025. The market can turn around at any moment. Appeal and conclusion. Friends, the U.S. Crypto Channel strives to provide you with accurate information. If you found this analysis helpful, please subscribe to the channel and make sure to like and share the video. And remember, the decision is yours. We are not financial advisors. For now, I'm taking the leave. Take care. Bye-bye.